Hi everyone, I'm Amy Koster, Senior Product Developer here at Creative Memories, and I'm excited to introduce to you all two brand new products that we are launching to help you scrapbook even better, and that is our Studio Backpack and Studio Craft Case. These were designed specifically for our scrapbooking community in mind and to hold all of your core CM gear from home to crop or weekend retreat. So let me take a moment to walk you through some of the key interior and exterior features of both products so that you can feel confident that these are the travel storage solutions for you. So at first, let's take a look at the Studio Backpack. So here we have the Studio Backpack in black. It measures 14 inches at the base, it's 17 inches in height and 8 inches in depth. So it is travel friendly and carry-on compliant. It is constructed entirely of 150 denier twill polyester, so it is abrasion resistant, water repellent, and easy to wipe clean. On the exterior, you'll see that we have two elastic gusseted side pockets. They are wide enough to fit a 32-ounce water bottle. Additionally, we have a front compartment in the front here that is top loading with a corded zipper pull. And inside, I can easily fit a standard to medium-sized notebook, and it also includes a tethered, detachable keyring. Moving on to the back side of the backpack, you'll see we have a large, padded, breathable mesh back panel for comfort. It has an integrated trolley sleeve that will slip over most standard luggage trolleys. We also have adjustable, padded, mesh shoulder straps to fit numerous body types. And up here at the top, you will see we also have a padded top handle for additional comfort. Now, let's get on to the interior of the bag. So we have two main compartments. The first compartment closest to your back has two metal zipper pulls that allow you to open it up completely flat for super easy access to all of your core primary scrapbooking tools and supplies. We have two interior padded sleeves. The first is designed specifically to hold and protect your 12x12 album, along with a 48 pack of album kit papers. The top padded sleeve is designed to hold your iPad or similar sized tablet. It can also hold your album kit or project instructions. Here, you'll see that we have two top loading slip pockets. These are great for holding border stickers, embellishment packs. Up here we have an elastic mesh pocket. This is great for any of you that have our sorting mate that easily can fit here, or if you do not, it is also another great spot to hold additional border stickers or embellishment packs. We'll quickly zip this closed, and you'll see and hear how smooth these zippers glide. Now, going into the main compartment also features two dual metal corded zipper pulls. Putting this down so you all can see, it is a open compartment here, easy to access some of your larger tools and supplies. Up at the top, we have this quick access gusseted pocket that's perfect for smaller hand tools, things like tape runners, refill cartridges, and things of that sort. If you're traveling through the airport, this is a great everyday carry pocket location for things like your keys, wallet, passport, phone. And then underneath that, we have another zippered mesh pocket that extends all the way to the base of the bag. So this is perfect for things like your foam squares, CCS templates, anything that is slim and low profile. And again, really smooth glide on these zippers, and you can hear that sound. So that concludes the Studio Backpack. And next, we will move into the core features and benefits of the Studio Craft Case. Let's get into some of the overall features, interior and exterior of the Studio Craft Case. This product was designed to hold some of those smaller hand tools and accessories that you don't want to get lost into a deeper bag. So this was designed out of the same materials and construction as the backpack for a coordinated, cohesive look. It features 150 denier polyester twill fabric that is abrasion resistant, water resistant, and easy to wipe clean. It features an integrated top carry handle here, easy pass through for any size hand. It also features a 2-tier design. This first compartment also has corded metal zipper pulls, same construction as the studio backpack for a cohesive look. On the inside, you'll see that we have a water repellent, puncture resistant, zippered TPU pocket. This is a great place to store things like your markers, pens, lifter stick, multi-purpose tool. I even have in here a gum eraser. So some of those quick, small access items that you just don't want to get lost at the bottom of a larger, deeper bag. Here we have a custom elastic mesh pocket that was designed specifically to hold our CM tape runners. You can fit 4 of them side by side. You'll see that I am only choosing to store 3, and I'd like to include my corner rounder. So that's an example of other things that can be stored within this elastic mesh pocket as well. So we'll go ahead and zip this up. As you can see, easy glide zippers, and we'll open up the main bottom compartment, which is designed to fit multiple punches. So you can see here that I have 2 standalone punches. You can fit 3 side by side. If you wanted to include some BMC, Border Maker cartridges, those can also fit into this bottom compartment, or larger hand tools, things like hole punches, larger scissors. This is really keeping in mind sort of that beginner scrapbooker or somebody who's looking to just kind of consolidate how many punches that they want to bring to a craft for specific projects. This could be a really great tool for you. Above that compartment, we have a second TPU zip pocket where you can store your CM scissors, and other slim profile products like that. And I will say that if you do already have a solution to store some of these smaller hand tools and accessories, this product would be a really great addition as a tech pouch or a toiletry kit, for travel purposes. So it really has an extended use case even outside of the craft room. So keep that in mind as you consider this. It's a really great product, and again, a great companion to the studio backpack to complete that full system. So that about wraps up the walkthrough of the features and benefits of the Studio Craft Case, as well as the Studio Backpack. The goal was to create one unified system for all of the tools that you love and reach for most. So leave some comments, let us know what you think, and we really hope that you love these products as much as we do.